The "we couldn't verify your details" is a common Klarna error, which usually occurs due to mismatched information, poor document quality, credit issues, or technical glitches. Step-by-step fixes: double-check your details. Ensure your full name, date of birth, address, and phone number match exactly with your official ID, bank records, and credit report. Even small differences like abbreviations or spacing can cause failure. Use clear ID verifications. When prompted, upload high-quality photos of a government-issued ID, passport, or driver's license. Take a clear selfie. Ensure good lighting, no glare, and all edges visible. Try different methods. Attempt verification on the Klarna mobile app instead of the website, or vice versa. Try paying in full 30 days first. It sometimes triggers a simpler verification. Clear browser cache and cookies or use incognito mode. Check credit and account status. Ensure no outstanding Klarna payments. Unfreeze your credit, for example with TransUnion, if frozen, as Klarna performs a soft check. Additional tips: update the Klarna app. Use stable Wi-Fi and disable VPN. Wait 24 hours and retry. If the error persists, contact Klarna support via in-app chat or call them. Provide your order details for faster help. Patience is often required, as some cases need manual review.